Hello, children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Children, in today's English class, let us focus upon Unit 6, Chapter 11, Poem Mr. Nobody, Part 2, the textual exercises. Children, in this exercise, you will have to tick the actions what you do, the mischiefs what you do at home. Sometimes you want to look and find things for yourself. Tick those that you do or did tell your friends, right? Usually you try to see a clock why it is ticked. So you can tick that. I tried to see why the clock ticked. And I went out the house at night to see the stars. Usually at night some of them you may go, but parents don't allow us to go out at night, so this also we need not tick. And I climbed a tree to look into a nest, and the parents also don't allow you to climb a tree, but this you will do at home. That is, you can tick this, that I climbed on a stool to find biscuits. This you will usually do at home. So, general mischiefs which you do and perform at home are these two: looking at the clock, why it is ticked, and climbing onto a stool to find biscuits. Children, in this exercise, you will have to fill up the missing blanks with the letters A, E, I, O, U. I hope you all remember A, E, I, O, U. I taught you a song also on A, E, I, O, U. We are very little creatures, all of different voices and features. This song I taught you long back, and A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. So he is given you some of the words over here with blanks, empty blanks, and you will have to fill these blanks with vowels. Now, I have done them for you, and you can do it in your textbooks. First one is head, second one is arms, third one is legs, fourth one is dress, fifth one is hair. And the second exercise is the body. A blank is followed by a body word, in which in each blank you will have to fill up with no, some, and every. So it becomes nobody, somebody, and everybody. I have done them for you. Write them in your textbook. Children, in this exercise, you will have to learn that when you want to write your father's name, you will have to refer him as Mr. Mr. is referred by a capital M and a small r, and then it is followed by a period or a full stop. Then the name is the name begins with a capital letter. Here, Seema wrote her father's name like this. Like this means she wrote Mr. Dinesh Dikshit. Mr. is M, capital M and small r and a full stop. Mr. Mr. is referred to male that is father. Mr. Dinesh, and any male is also referred as Mr. Dinesh Dikshit. The beginning of the name usually starts with a capital letter. Ram wrote his mother's name like this, that is Mrs. M-R-S. M capital, small r and S with a followed by a full stop. Then the name, a little bit of space, and then you will have to continue the name with beginning with a capital letter. Sneha, S capital N-E-H-A. Sneha Ramdas. Mrs. Sneha Ramdas. So now here you are asked to write your father's name in the box given and your mother's name in the box given. How Seema and Ram wrote using Mr. and Mrs. And one I have done it to you down, Mr. Ramesh and Mrs. Jyoti. Okay, children, now you fill up your mom's and dad's name in the blocks given over there. Thank you, children. See you then. Bye.